In this video, I'm going to show you how to set pending order on TradeLocker. Now, the first thing you want to do once you're inside TradeLocker, go down here to the bottom right where you can see the sells and the buys, and then over here you want to click on this up arrow over here above the buy button. What this will do is it will allow you to actually set market or a pending order, which is the one we're going to set now, and then whenever you click on pending over here, here's where you have to select the price. So I'm just going to go ahead and let's say I'm going to click plus a few times. There we go. And then you can of course customize the price. You can do that manually as well by just typing in like that, or you can also drag this up and down and it's going to do just the same thing. And then you can also set your trailing stop loss, just stop loss or take profit as well. Then you have to select if you want a risk order or not, and then how many lots you actually want to buy. And after that you can go ahead and just click on buy over here, and you've successfully set a pending order. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.